Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Tuneup Series 2 and this is by Majorette, and let's unbox this. Okay, before I go, I will show you the code what it is. So here is the code for this one. Hope you guys noted it down. So let's open. Okay. That's it. Okay, so before we get into the car, let's see what's inside in this one. So I personally love the Series 2 compared to Series 3 because Series 3 I felt it was very cheap. Okay, we have set of tires. Fine. Let's see what's on the, okay, this might be the body kit. Yeah. And it has a white body kit and nothing else. Okay, so let's put this aside and let me show you the sticker once in case if you guys are wondering. Here's the sticker. Okay. Okay, that's awesome, man. That is the wiper. So I was waiting to get my hands on this one, so finally I got it. Let's keep this aside for a minute and let's see the collector's chip. Okay, this is the rare one, large wiper. Okay, and let's take this outside. Okay, this looks really nice. This looks really beautiful, you know, the graphics on this one, it's really nice. The purple really pops. The window is tinted blue and that looks really nice. There's openable doors. Okay, this looks seriously awesome. Specifically the graphics, you know, the graphics of the wiper, it's really amazing. Okay, let's put on the body kit and see how it looks. Hope I'm not breaking it. Is that it? Did I do it right? I don't think so. Or did I? Okay, let me just see if I did it right. I think so. Okay. Okay, it does look like it's fitted right. Okay, let me put on the tires real quick. Okay, now I got it right. It is supposed to be here. It's supposed to come here. Okay. So last one. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Seriously, man, this one looks really awesome. See, we have unboxed a lot here. This includes Series 2 and Series 3, and even 1 or 2 in Series 1 as well. But the body kit on this one looks seriously amazing. This looks totally different compared to others which we unboxed so far. Okay, there is suspension. Yeah, it is there. It rolls really smooth. Since it has this rubber tires mounted on now, it is not going fast as it should be, but it is fast. I love this, man. I really love this. It's really awesome. Sorry. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.